2025 or Beanie Run Moon. Additional safety reminders, we have Sir Jim De La Rosa.
Ayun, isang A muna! Mas malakas! Ayun.
Gusto mo pang sabi ko, gusto ko pag mag-Hong Kong.
Guys, Angie is still in her fitness journey ever since yung hot summer, bongga. Okay, next up of course, we have Rive! Yes, wala pa sila. Okay, we also have with us Peyton Garcia. Yes. Ito na, Rive is here with us too. Love it. Media artists, thank you so much for being here. Napakaaga. But then, you guys took the time to be here. Okay, so of course, guys, I will give you guys the microphone para pwede niyong batiin yung mga blooms. Okay, go, Dre.
What's up, Blooms? Gising na ba lahat? Kung gising na kayo, give me an A! Sige, guys.
Nandito na ang Beanie! Yes, I love it. Okay, thank you guys so much. Thank you sa pa-flashlights. Our program will start in a little bit, guys. Score PH, and alam naman natin, guys, since last year, noong 2024, yung Beanie Run, part po yun ng fitness journey nila for Beanieverse New Frontier. And ngayon naman, part po tayo ng fitness journey nila for Beanieverse. Beanieverse Philippine Arena. O, diba? Back part tayo. Yarn. Okay, konti na lang blooms. Makikita na natin ang Beanie! Guys, ano ba yan? Wala kayong energy.
Immediate evacuation, okay? Listen to the instruction of our authorities. We have here our PNP, BFP, the CSSD personnel, safety marshals, safety officers, okay? And head to the nearest, as shown in the screen, okay? At located at Block 3, Block 27, and Block 29, okay? Just follow their instruction. The CSSD and the other authorities will guide you towards the emergency assembly point. Okay? In case of medical emergency, as mentioned earlier.
Parang kailangan pa natin sila i-hype, guys. Parang ano, kailangan pa ng energy. Yes? Beanie! Beanie!
Hey, here, just...
Okay, before natin makita ang Beanie, a quick reminder, guys. Sino dito pupunta sa Beanieverse Philippine Arena? Nakasecure na kayo ng tickets? Yes? Okay, great. Pero for those of you who haven't bought your tickets yet, don't forget to buy them on pulptickets.com, ticketnet.com.ph. That is Feb 15, guys, 5 p.m. Beanieverse Philippine Arena. Ngayon naman,
Artists nandito sila. I saw Joao there. Rob is there. Andre is there. Rive is here. Si Tom. Yung Tom nandito din. I really don't know. Mga ibang Star Magic and BB artists are also
obsession. So of course I would like to call on Coach Jim and Coach Tony for some important reminders. Coach Jim and Coach Tony, please come up.
With the Ayana. Good morning, Blooms! Ay, gawin po natin yung mas masigapo. Good morning, Blooms! Hey! Good
Maloy and Sheena. Kasama natin silang tatakbo hanggang dulo. Kaya let's have fun.
Get ready as you rock with the nation's girl group, Beanie.
Sabi natin, thank you po for joining our Beanie Run Moon. Thank you for waking up early. Pumipi yung pa. Salamat po.
Hello Mayor, good morning. Hello po. Okay, a quick photo op po with Beanie and Mayor Blooms. Meron ako napapansin sa sa Vini ngayon. Parang ang ganda ng...
Sabay-sabay tayo mag-warm up. Mabilis lang siya. Please do this, guys, to avoid injuries, okay?
Alright, so we're going to do the warm-up and do the same warm-up. So gagawin nila sa likod.
Wala.